Lesson number 5, decimal fraction. And in this lesson, inside today, we will see the next point of the exercise number 15. That is, we have to convert the this question we have to solve, convert the decimal fraction into common fraction. Okay, so how to convert this, just I told you before only. So first example, here it is the first example. Here point is there 27, it is 27.5. Okay, so we have to convert into common fraction. So first of all, first step I told you that you have to write this number as it is without decimal point. Here I wrote 275 and divided by on in this number point after how many digits are there? One digit is there, so we have to write 1 and on 1 0 we have to give. Okay, this is a conversion of decimal fraction, that is 27.5 into the common fraction, and its answer is 275 divided by 10. Okay, same way we have to solve the next example. The second example is 0.007 0.007. So this conversion we have to do. So how to do? First of all, which is the number here? 7 is the number. Okay, so first write the 7, then 1 write, and point after how many decimal points fraction numbers are there? 1 2 3. So on 1 3 zeros you have to give 1 2 3. So 7 upon 1000 is its answer. 7 upon 1000 means this is the conversion that we already studied it. That is when the number is one only number, then we have to write it, and how many points are there after decimal fraction numbers are there, that we have to give, that much zeros we have to give on 1. Next question, third, that is 90.8. its conversion we have to do. First write the number 908 means 908, point after one digit is there, so give here 10 on 1. So here 908 upon 10 is its answer. Next question, 39.15. 39, fourth example, 39.15. Here point is there. So here its conversion 3915 upon point after how many digits are there? 2. So on 1 we have to give 2 zeros. Okay, note down this. Next we will see, that is fifth example. Here it is fifth example, 3.12. So here first write 312 divided by on 1 how many zeros we have to give? Point after 2 digits are there, so give 2 digits here, 2 zeros here. Okay, note down. And the last example is sixth example, 70.400. 70.400. So the next step is 70.400 is here. We have to write the number 70400 means 70,400. Okay, and point after how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. So here you just write the 100 divided by 100. Okay, or instead of this, the zeros get cancels with zeros. Okay, these get cancelled with these zeros. So its answer may be 704. 704. Okay, so in this way you can solve these examples. Okay, now that we seen how to convert the decimal fraction into common fraction, and yesterday we had seen common fractions conversion into the decimal fractions. Okay, now the next point is the multiplication of decimal fractions. First we seen the addition, then subtraction, then conversion of decimal to decimal fraction into common fraction, and common fraction into decimal. Now the next, it is the next mathematical operation on the decimal fraction is the multiplication. Okay, so how to do this multiplication of decimal fraction? So we will see one example which is solved here already. So here it is 4.3. Here it is, question is the 4.3, this is 4.3 into 5. So here they gave the three methods, 1, 2, and this is the third method. So in first method inside, what they had done, 4.3 into 5. 4.3 into 5. So now we will see the first method. So what is our question? Our question is 4.3 into 5. 4.3 into 5. Okay, so as you know that conversion, I taught you how to do this 4.3's conversion into, it is a decimal fraction, and its conversion we have to do into the common fraction. So how to do this? 4.3 means 43, then point after one digit is there, so divide it with the 10. So here it is 43 upon 10. Okay, this into 5 means only 5 upon 1. 5 upon 1. And as we know that we have to, when it is such a type of question will come, what we have to do? Fraction. Last lesson is there, fourth lesson, fraction. Inside we seen that if such a fractions multiplication of fraction inside, what we have to do? Numerators multiplication, means 43 into 5. This is the numerator 43, and these two are the numerators. 43 into 5. 43 into 5 upon 10 into 1. 10 into 1 is the denominator. So we have to write here 10 into 1. So here the multiplication when we will do, here 43 into 5. 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 4 1s are 5 4s are 20, and 20 plus this one is equal to 21. So its multiplication is 215, that 43 into 5. So write here 215, and 10 ones are 10. Okay, 10 ones are 10. So the next point is the, now we have to convert this fraction into decimal fraction. So first of all, here I will write 215. We have to give the point now. So here 215, okay, divided by 10 is there. Divided by 10 is there. So point after leave one digit and give point here. So the answer is 21.5. This is the method number 1. This is the method number 1. Okay, understood all of you? Note down this. Now we will see the second method. Now we will see the second method. Now we will see the next method, and that number is method number 2. Second method. Okay, same multiplication we are going to do. That is 4.3 into 5. 4.3 into 5. So how to solve this example? So for that we have to write this 4.3. Okay, how to write 4.3 means what? This full integer part is there, 4 we have to write here. Okay, and 0.3 is there. 0.3 how we are writing? 3 upon 10. Yes, because it is at the first decimal place. Which place it is? That 10th decimal place. This multiplication, okay, 4.3, this multiplication we have to do with the 5. We have to do with 5. Okay, understood what I done? That this 5 is there, that I have to write here. And this 4.3 I have to convert into, that is the integer, and 3 upon 10. Okay, this is 4, this 4 is there, and 0.3 means 3 upon 10. Now we have to do the multiplication of this. So as you know that multiplication of this both, 4 5s are 20. This multiplication we have to write here 20. Understand what I said? That it is 4 5s are 20. These 2's multiplication we have to write at this place. 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. That I wrote it here. Now I have to do the multiplication of 3 by 10 into 5. 3 by 10 into 5. Okay. So how to do this? See here, 3 into 5. When we are doing the multiplication, 3 into 3 by 10 into 5. So 5 by 1 it will come. 5 3s are 15 and 10 1s are numerators multiplication and denominators multiplication. So here 5 3s are 15 upon 10. Okay. Understand what I done it here? I have done the multiplication of 4 into 5 and next what 3 by 10 into what 5 and its answer is 15 upon 10. Now next step is I have to write this 20 as it is here, right? This is the answer's place, this 20 and 15 upon 10 means what? We have to write the 15 and point after we have to convert this 15 upon 10 into decimal fraction. So 15 upon 10 is there, 1 on 1 1 0 is there. So from 15 inside, from back side leave 1 digit and give point here. So it is 20 and 15 upon 10 means 1.5. Now we have to do the addition of this both. So here it is 20. So here how to write this? 4.3 into 4.3 into 5 is equals to, this is 20 and this is 15, 1.5. This is 1.5. It's a addition I have to do, plus here 1.5. Okay, so 20 plus 1. Whenever we are doing the addition, that also I taught you how to do this. This is 20 and if I have to add 1.5, so 1 I have to write here and point below point. In 20, point is not, so point place decimal point is absent, so you have to give your decimal point your own and 0 you have to write. So here if you do the addition of this, 0 plus 5 is equals to 5, point below point we have to write here, and 20 plus 1 is equal to 21.15. So its answer is 21.5. Understand? In this way you have to solve the multiplication of the decimal fraction. Okay, whatever we had done I will explain you again for better understanding. So here first of all 4.3 into 5, 4.3 into 5 is given here, so that we have to write so first of all this 4.3 and 5's multiplication I have to do. So 4.3 how I have to write? For this 4 I will write here as it is, and 0.3 means 3 upon 10 and I have to multiply this with the 5, so I wrote here 5. Now 4 into 5, these 2's multiplication I have to write 20 here, then these 2's multiplication 5 3s are 15 and divided by 10, that I have to write here. Next step, this 20 we have to write as it is, and this 15 upon 10 means 1.5, that we convert it into decimal fraction. So what is its answer? 4.3 into 5 is equals to 20, this 20 plus 1.5. These 2's we have to do the addition. Okay, now 20 plus 1 is equal to 21 and decimal point after that we have to write as it is. So this is our method number 2. Understand all of you? Note down this. Now we will see the third method. First note down all of you this. Okay. Now third method. Now method number 3. That is very easy actually. Third method. So method number 3 inside what we have to do? What is the question given here? 4.3 into 5. So without decimal you just do the multiplication. What will come here? 43 upon, otherwise 4.3 upon 4.3 into 5. We have to do the multiplication. So simply what we have to do here, 4.3, first I will tell you the 43 into 5's multiplication that we had already seen in first method. 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 5 4s are 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. So 215. Now in this multiplication inside, if decimal comes, so same answer will come here. 4.3 into 5, its answer will have come 215 only, but we have to put the decimal point. So here in numerator, how many decimal point after how many decimal fraction points are there? One number is there. Okay, so after in answer also you have to leave one digit from right side. So here it will come the point. Here it will come the point. Understand? So answer is 21.15. In any method you are getting the answer same. Understand all of you? Now I will tell you how to do the multiplication of different numbers. Okay. So first of all, only one digits I will tell you. So here it is. Suppose 50.23 into 7. Okay. So 7 3s are 21, 2 carry. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2, 16. Again 1 carry. 7 5s are 35 plus 1, 37. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. Now this is my answer. This is my answer. See here. 7 5 is 35 plus 1, I have to write here 6. 7 5 35 plus 1 is equal to 36. 3 carry. 3 1s are 3 plus 1. 7 1s are 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. Okay. Now here I have to put the decimal point. So where will come the decimal point? So if you see here, point after how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. So in answer inside also you have to leave the 2 digits from back side. So 1 and 6 you just leave from right side and give the point. So the answer is 106.61. Understand all of you? Now I will tell you one more example. Suppose I will take here 45.305 305 into 5. So 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 5 0 0. 0 plus 2. 5 3s are 15. 1 carry. 5 5s are 25 plus 1. 26. 2 carry. 5 4s are 20 plus 2. 22. That is my multiplication. Okay. What I had done it here. 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. Then 5 0 0 plus 2. 2. 5 3s are 15. 5 is here. 1 carry. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26. 6 right here. 2 carry. 5 4s are 20 and 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. Now the point is the next step is the we have to give the decimal point. So where the decimal point will come here? So if you see here in the numerator, how many decimal points are there? 3 decimal points are there. So in the answer also you have to leave 3 digits from back side. 3 digits from back side, and those digits are 5, 2 and 5. And here we have to give the point. Okay. In this way we have to solve this example. Suppose this is in this example only numerator shows the decimal point. But if some examples inside, suppose it is the question 2.1 into 1.5. So it's multiplication. Just I told you what 15 ones are general multiplication. 21 into 15. How we are doing? 15 ones are 15. 1 carry. 15 twos are 30. 30 plus 1 is equals to 31. Okay. So its answer is 315 only will come. Now the point is we have to give the decimal. Where to give the decimal point? So here in numerator inside one number is there, and the numerator otherwise in the 2.1 inside one number is there, and 1.5 inside one number. So total after decimal point how many? 2 numbers are there, 1 and 2. So here leave the 2 digits and give the point here. Understand all of you how to do this? It is point. In this way, if here one more number came, suppose, so here what we have to do that same thing we have to do. 1 2 5 into, suppose point will be here, and here if we multiply it with the 1.2. So here also what we have to do here, we have to do the same thing. First do the multiplication of 125 into 12. 12 5s are 60, 12 2s are 24, and 24 plus 6 is equal to 24 plus 6 is equal to 30. So 3 carry here, and 12 ones are 12, and 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. Okay, so now we have to put the decimal point here. So here in first number inside, point after one digit, and second number inside, point after one digit is there. So after point, how many total digits are there? 2. So you have to leave the 2 digits from here and give point here. Okay, so its answer is 15. Now instead of this point, suppose this point is instead of here, if it is here, it is this is here, and here it is. So here total how many digits are there? Point after here 2 digits, which are that point after point 2 and 5. These 2 digits are coming, and for this 1.2 inside, point 2 after 1 digit is came. So here total how many digits are there? 3 digits are. So leave the 3 digits from back side 1 2 3 and give point here. So its answer is 1.5. Okay, because this zeros doesn't have value after point. Okay, so in this way we have to solve this example. So all of you do the practice of it. So today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you, have a good day.